Do your chords sound like this? Today I have one quick tip that will solve buzzing chords once and forever. Let's take a look. First, let's start off by fixing a buzzing C chord. So to play a C chord, you take the ring finger, place it on the 3rd fret of the bottom A string. Let the top strings ring open. But this time, it's going to be a buzzy sounding C chord. Anytime you come across a buzzing chord, it's an indication that a finger from your fretting hand is misplaced on the ukulele fretboard. So for the C chord, since we only have the ring finger pressing on the fretboard, there's something going on with this finger that we have to fix. Let's hear this C chord again. So to fix it, we need to move up this ring finger to be right behind the 3rd fret on the bottom A string. There we go. The chord rings out nice and clear. So we don't want our fingers placed far behind the fret like this. That produces buzzing. We want to move up our finger right behind that fret. Okay, now let's take a look at the F chord. For the F chord, you place your index finger on the 1st fret of the E string and middle finger on the 2nd fret of the top A string. But this time, it's going to be a buzzing chord. Again, we have to move up these fingers to be right behind those frets. So from here up to here. And very nice, we have a nice chord that's ringing out nice and clear. All right, let's take a look at one more common chord, the G chord. For a G chord, you place the index finger on the 2nd fret of the C string, your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the E string, and the middle finger on the 2nd fret of the bottom A string. But this time, the strings will buzz. Again, our fingers are placed too far behind the frets, so we need to move those up to be right behind the frets. And there you have it, a G chord that's ringing out nice and clear. So next time you come across a chord that's buzzing on you, just take a step back, pluck each individual string, and see what string is buzzing on you. Chances are you just have to adjust the fingers of your fretting hand slightly to get those strings to ring out. Alright, if this video helped you fix your buzzing chords, be sure to hit that like button. And if you have a friend who struggles with buzzing ukulele chords, be sure to send them this video because this is such a common problem with a simple fix. Alright, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.